Welcome back to my channel. It has been about a month or two since I uploaded a new tutorial. I've been playing around in my head with this look. This look was inspired by Tyrion Lannister of the Game of Thrones character. Yeah, you know, when there was a war, I think in season 4 or 5, there was a war, and then he got slashed in his face on orders of his sister when she tried to kill him. I don't know, I just felt like I should recreate that whole injury, and then yeah, this is what I came up with. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, invite your friends to subscribe to my channel, because I do SFX and beauty looks as well. So please, you guys, enjoy this video while I get into the tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for getting right into it. I have made a paste out of my liquid latex and my flour, and I am going to be applying it on the area of my face that I want this injury to be. I'm going to be using my hands because, as against using a brush, I prefer to use my hands, and I am going to be giving it the shape that I want the injury to take at the same time. So having created this prosthetic on my face, I am going over it with just liquid latex. I am doing this because I need a smooth foundation when I am creating my cut. So there's a number of things you could use for this process, but I chose to use a really small knife, and I am going over it with a liquid latex because I do not want my prosthetic to get stuck on the knife and make my work look rough. So I am just going over that with a liquid latex. If you are going to recreate this look, I suggest you use your liquid latex for a lot of things, so that you don't get your work messed up before it dries off. So I've gone ahead to dry my prosthetic with a hand dryer, and then now I am going over my face with a foundation and a powder. I am just going to do that all over my face for a smooth look. So you guys remember that cut I made earlier with my little knife? Now I am using a black paint and a black eyeshadow to give depth to the injury, just like I am doing in the video. I'm also going to be using a pink color to make it look bruised as well. So you guys just watch how I get this done in this clip. Paint job. So I am going over my prosthetic with a dark eyeshadow to make it look realistic, and then as well give it more depth, you know, to make it look as realistic as possible. So keep watching how I get this done, guys. So after all that's done, I am going to go into my cut with my coagulated blood. You know, the whole idea behind this is to make it look as deep as possible, to make this cut look as deep as possible. So I will just be going over this prosthetic and the cut with blood, and to make it look, you know, like a really bloody injury. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you have any suggestions or observations, please drop it down below in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so you know whenever I drop new videos, and share my videos with whoever you think would love to be part of my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video.